Ozone therapy has been used to treat cancer for over 70 years. There are dozens of published studies since the 1950s on the medical use of ozone. Dr. Otto Warburg showed that cancer cannot live in the presence of oxygen and got a Nobel Prize nomination for that. Bottom of it all is ozone destroys cancer directly and stimulates the body to make other natural chemicals in the body that help destroy cancer. Probably why everybody doesn't get cancer all the time, because we always have cancer molecules in our body and our body is destroying them. So ozone has been used to treat cancer. Now the method that we use, Robin's method of direct IV, can help alleviate the symptoms, the horrible symptoms of chemotherapy, so that you can complete the chemotherapy, usually without having to suffer, and get the best result the chemotherapy can give. It doesn't replace surgery, of course, for cancer. I think that's the best thing a person can do. It can alleviate most of the adverse effects of radiation, though I'm not a fan of radiation for cancer. Chemotherapy sometimes will keep you living, so natural medicine has a chance to work. So it can assist in cancer eradication, not necessarily doing it all on its own. And of course you want to do all other natural therapies. There's lots of natural herbal therapies and other therapies that can, diets, nutritional approaches that can add on to natural approaches to cure cancer.